Hi, in this video I am going to display certain number of Fibonacci string sequence using recursive function. On the screen there are three ways to provide the input. First one is the fixed day. This is the number of term defined by the developer of this program, or you can use the random mechanism in which the value of number of term will keep changing each and every time, or you can go for custom way where you have to provide how many number of term you required. I need the 4 term. Then click the user input button. On the screen left hand side is the Python code for generating that sequence of Fibonacci string sequence. On the right hand side you can see different controls. Clicking this forward and backward button will help you to draw your class diagram one after another, one step at a one time only. If you click on the top button, you can see the entire diagram is generated at a single step. So I am going to explain this diagram. So in your example, a function known as recursive fib is a recursively called function. Its current input is n, and your program is starting by indicating this dot, and it understood that it has to generate the value at the state 4. To find the value at the state 4, it has to know the value of the state 3 and state 2. So that line is indicated by line number 8 here. It is saying that it has to recursively call the same function with an input number lesser than the previous input. And again the same function has to call with the input value less than previous input of 2. So f of 4 is found by f of 3 plus f of 2, that is 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2. Again we have to call this recursive function here f3, so it has to call f of 2 and f of 1. Here also we have to call f of 1 and f of 0. So for this one, f of 2 again has to call with the f of 1 and f of 0. Now all our leaves are either f of 0 or f of 1. So now you don't have to call this function again. When it reaches either 0th state or first state, it has to return some values like a or b. In my example, f of 1 is returning a and f of 0 is returning b. So f of 2, this f of 2 has a value of ab, and here f of 1 is returning a. As a result, f of 3 will have the string aba. Same operation happening at the right hand side also. F of 1 is returning value a and f of 0 is returning the value b. As a result, f of 2 containing the value ab. So now every node has some value. So f of 3 is returning aba and f of 2 is returning ab. These two strings became added at the f of 4, and it's showing the output as aba ab and terminating the program. So this is how this program is working recursively. That's all in this video. Thank you.